Building a 3D asset from scratch can consume days of highly skilled labor, and while cloud-based AI tools can speed up that process, they force you to trade away control, leaking your proprietary concept art to external servers while slowly draining your budget with recurring token costs. That is where Modly comes in. Modly is an open-source desktop application that lets you run state-of-the-art 3D generation models entirely offline, directly on your own hardware. This animated diagram breaks down the core hardware you will need to run the software. You need either an NVIDIA GPU with at least 8 GB of VRAM or an Apple Silicon Mac. If you meet those hardware requirements, you can bypass the cloud entirely. You transform your standard personal computer into an autonomous, private 3D asset factory. Step 1 is getting the platform running. Just download the Standalone installer for Windows or Mac OS and execute the file. There is no complex command line setup required to launch the base app. When launched, you're greeted by this clean Electron-based desktop shell, organizing your workspace into a blank canvas, tool sidebars, and a top menu. In the top right corner, you'll find a built-in telemetry panel. Because running machine learning models locally is taxing, this live RAM indicator monitors memory usage during intensive tasks. This design intentionally hides the heavy Python machine learning backends behind a familiar dashboard, giving creators the tools to track hardware exhaustion in real time without needing to read code. Right out of the box, that Modly shell is entirely empty. To actually generate anything, you need to provision a specific AI model by installing an extension. Navigate to the Extensions tab and paste the GitHub URL for a supported AI model like Hunyuan 3D Mini or Trellis 2 directly into the input field. Under the hood, Modly reads your hardware specs and builds an isolated Python environment. It creates a sandbox for those specific data weights. This locked sandbox keeps PyTorch and CUDA versions separated, repelling incompatible dependencies so they don't break your machine. Downloading these massive AI weights takes significant time, sometimes spanning several gigabytes of data. Do not interrupt this phase or close the app while the installation is running. This dynamic, modular architecture ensures the software remains adaptable. As researchers release newer models, you can drop them into a new sandbox without rebuilding the core application. Now that our model's installed, we can move back to the digital canvas to construct our custom generation pipeline. A basic workflow relies on 3 essential operational nodes: an image input node, a generate mesh node, and an add to scene viewer. Set up the pipeline by dragging a digital wire from the image input node to the generate mesh node and uploading a reference image. If you try to connect 2 incompatible nodes together, the system runs a front-end validation check before executing anything. A bright red inline toast warning appears directly over the bad connection, halting a broken graph from executing and preventing an application crash. By forcing you to use physical building blocks, this approach takes heavily complex machine learning pipelines and turns them into highly logical, error-proof steps. With a valid pipeline wired up, the final step is clicking the Run button to dispatch the job to your local GPU. You will notice an immediate spike in your graphics card utilization. Expect a 10 to 15 second wait time as the model handles multi-view diffusion and reconstruction. Once complete, your generated 3D topology appears inside the interactive viewer, transforming your flat concept art into a fully realized 3D geometric mesh. From the viewer, you simply click the Export button to save the generated mesh directly to your local hard drive. The geometry automatically exports as a standard .glb file, ensuring it's ready for immediate use. In less than a minute of computational time, you have successfully bridged the gap between a 2D image and a physical, manipulatable digital asset. You just generated a 3D model entirely offline, cutting days out of the traditional modeling pipeline without paying a single cent in cloud subscription credits. To prove that asset is production ready, you can take that exported file and drag it right into professional software, like a live Unreal Engine scene. As you get comfortable, you can start building more advanced workflows. You can install extensions like PyMeshLab for automatic polygon reduction, or skin tokens to auto-rig your characters with skin weights right inside the node graph. Mastering Modly gives independent creators the exact scalable asset production capabilities that were previously restricted to massive, well-funded commercial studios.